Hi, I'm Sylvia from Wondershare Virbo. Virbo is an AI video generator that allows you to transform text into captivating videos in just minutes, supporting over 120 different voices and languages. Today, I'll show you how you can AI generate a script with Virbo for any type of video projects. Let's get started. Step 1. Open AI Script Generator. Firstly, go to free download Virbo application on your mobile phone and launch it. Once inside, choose AI Script section. Here, you'll need to fill in the blank following the requested information. Start by entering the keywords that will be relevant to your video. You can easily select the language that Virbo will work with from a list of over 120 available options. Next, proceed to the Brand section and enter the name of the company or brand to which your video belongs. In the following section, provide the product name. Afterward, define your target audience in the Target User Group section. Then, move on to the Key Selling Points section. It is crucial to provide Virbo with all the necessary features and information that should be highlighted in the video. Step 2. Generate Marketing Script. Once you have provided all the necessary information to Virbo, click on the Generate Script button to initiate the scripting process. Step 3. Proofread. Once Virbo has processed all the information, please wait a few minutes for the script to be completed. When the script is ready, it will appear on the screen, allowing you to make any desired edits and perfect your video. Step 4. Create your video. Once Virbo has gathered the desired information for your video, simply click on the Create Video button. From there, select the video format you wish to create and click on Create Now. You'll notice that the script is automatically placed on the editing board. Here, you have the freedom to choose your favorite templates, AI avatars, voices, backgrounds, music, and more. Once everything is set and you're satisfied with your choices, click on the Export button. Virbo will then utilize its advanced AI technology to transform your text into engaging videos within just a few minutes. Isn't it incredibly easy? Give Wondershare Virbo a try today.